Okay, so I'm going to demo my solution here. There are already 3 incidents. I'm going to add another incident, so I'll do new capture. And here, when I click on the mic, it's going to start recording my voice. You can see. And whenever it stops, like now, it's not recording, right? You just need to click on the mic again and continue speaking. And so I'll start with the scenario. I entered um, Chambers uh, Park, and I found the missing dog. I found the missing dog, and I took the dog back to my car. Took the dog back to my car, and I left the park at 0800. I left the park at 0800. Okay, so now I'm gonna click send. Okay, now it's gonna send to uh, the Flask app, which I have running here. You see it. So this is the Flask app, and it received um, the text. I'm going to start recording my voice, etc., etc. And it called OpenAI to extract the key fields. You can see location, Chambers Park, time in, 0800, contacted, not applicable. Comments found missing dog, return to car, timeout 0800. And then it this is what OpenAI returns. And I format that into a JSON object with these fields, time underscore in, etc., to return to the front end. And the front end shows you it's ready to save this information. So this is from the AI. This was me, right? The user. So the AI shows what it's going to save. It's ready to save. And if I want to save, I just click on save here. And you can see the entries added to the incidents here, the list of incidents. And here, this is the location, Chambers Park, and time in, time out, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, found, and this is the comments. Found missing dog, returned the car. And here you show here I'm showing the complete text that I spoke. And this is like the first 50 characters of the text. That's from the previous implementation. Okay, so if I check the database now on Postgres, okay, I'll just select on incidents, and I'll execute the query. You can see now there's this one here, and so the name and text are from the previous implementation, as I said, and what I added is these columns: contacted, comments, location, and time in and time out. And the comments is a text SQL data type. Time in and time out are time SQL data types. Okay, so let's see if I can set contacted and use something more meaningful for time in, time out, so it's not the same. Okay, let's go back to the front end. Okay, I'll do a new capture. Okay, I'll start recording. I entered 347 Parliament again to look for the missing dog. And I spoke to the superintendent who told me to go to apartment 101. I spoke to the superintendent who told me to go to apartment 101. And I found the dog and I left at 10, 10:00. I found the dog and I left at 10:00. Okay, so got that. Okay, so I'll send to the Flask app. Okay, please specify time in, time out. Okay, it didn't get that. So, okay, I'll just continue here uh, speaking. Okay, and click the mic again. So I entered the building at 9:30 and I left at 10:00. Okay, so click send. Okay, so this is what the AI extracted. Location 347 Parliament from here, right? Time in 9:30. Contacted superintendent. Comments. Officer search for missing dog. Directed to apartment 101. Found dog at 10 or 100. Timeout 1000. Okay. So if I save now, okay. So it's added here. Okay, 347 Parliament. Let's go to the database again. Run the select. Okay, and here's the new entry. Let's check the new columns. Okay, contact the superintendent. Officer search for missing dog. Yeah. Location 347 Parliament. Time in 9:30 and 10 o'clock. Okay, now I'll demo using text inputs, which would be more reliable. I just copy something from the spec. So I'll just paste the whole text in here. This is okay. Oops. Okay, multi-line arrived at Wilson Park. Okay, let's send that and see what the AI returns. Okay, location Wilson Park. Time in 0910. Contact the staff on site. Comments. Some foot traffic. Parts safe. So summarized all this stuff, right? All this description here. Timeout 1000. Okay. Now, if I don't like that, I can enter some other text like entered Wilson Park. Okay, I'll show you the validation now. So if I just say entered Wilson Park and send it to the AI, it says please specify comments, time in and time out. Okay, and entered Wilson Park. Talk to I don't know, security. Let's see. Okay, so still wants comments and time in, time out. Okay, talk to security. Park is safe and exited at I don't know 17 15. Okay, send. Please specify time and okay. Entered Wilson Park. Okay. At 1700. That should be 5 p.m., right? Okay, so send to the AI. Okay, now there's too much info, so I have to minimize it to show the whole UI. Okay, ready to save. Location Wilson Park. Time in 1700. Contact security. Comments. Park deemed safe by security. Timeout 1715. Okay, now I'll save it. Okay, here's Wilson Park that I was added. Let's go to Postgres, run the query. Okay, there it is. That's the full text. Security, park being saved by security for the comments. Location, Wilson Parks. Time in 1700, time out 1750. And you can see contacted is not required. Okay. Okay, I can also select. Okay, I'll just restore the size first. And let's see. Okay, what did I enter today? I entered like Chambers Parkway. This is the full text, and you get all the key fields here in the incident card. Okay, that's my demo.